Stacy, the topic of the day, or this video anyway, is custom manufacturing training.
Yeah.
Yet other training you do. Tell us about that.
So, if you look out there, Randy, and you do a Google search, manufacturing training, there are a lot of great off-the-shelf solutions for some of those more fundamental business skills or manufacturing skills. Like maybe it's, how to measure using the metric system, how to use verniers calipers, for instance, how to communicate effectively with others, or how to do VLOOKUPs in Excel if you want to get on the IT side of things, right? But there's a lot of opportunity to build custom training that's specific for your products and services. And who knows them better than the people that are doing them now at your company? But ask yourself, is it the case where the person doing the work has the ability or time to train everyone else?
Yeah.
On doing that task?
Even if you turn like a camera on them and say, just do it, they're not going to, that's not their wheelhouse.
Exactly.
Right, sure.
So I think sometimes folks believe that training is maybe more of an art. There really is a science to it. So that's where I can come in and say, okay, what skills are we trying to transfer to that next group of folks? Who are your subject matter experts? And let's really get into the nitty gritty. What does success look like? What is the overall outcome? Let's break it down step by step. What are the sub steps? Let me ask those ridiculous questions that you're never going to ask because you're already familiar. And I know just enough to be dangerous to make sure that when we're training somebody who has zero incoming knowledge, that they're going to be able to do it safely and they're going to be able to do it correctly for the customer.
And then you create something that they engage with and learn from, right? And again, is there an assessment after this, like you do with so many things?
Yeah,
to
so
make sure
we
they did learn?
absolutely build assessments to make sure that people are going home with the skills they need. So, I'll talk about it a little bit more on some technical training videos, but I really take pride in making sure that we're building assessments so you're getting what you're expecting.
That's great, because that's all anybody wants.
Yeah.
Am I getting what I'm expecting?
Absolutely.
Thanks, Stacy.
Yeah.